So guys, it's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's video, y'all, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. It's a full-blown get ready with me because I'm going to be doing my hair, I'm going to be doing my lashes, I'm going to be doing my makeup, and I'm going to be putting my outfit on. So initially I wasn't going to comb my hair because I wanted to wear my natural hair, but because it has been so hot lately and I've been sweating in my hair. If you know me, you know that I sweat in my hair a lot. The sweat is just massive. The sweat is excessive. So really not feeling what the sweat is doing to my hair. So I just decided that I'm going to do a quick, simple and easy quick weave. After the quick weave, I am gonna do my lash, then I'm going to take a shower, put my clothes on, then do my eyelash, or however it turns out. Just know that I'm going to be doing a full-blown get ready with me on here. So yeah, I don't want to be late. It's currently some minutes past 2. I am not sure what time I'm supposed to be told for the event, but the event already started. But we are Jamaicans here, we don't go to any event when it starts. So yeah, hope all goes well. Come with me.
Feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say
Yeah, I'm sorry. 20 hours later and here I am, but I'm not doing everything. Oh God, I don't know why I just keep on pull up. But yeah, doing everything. I guess I'll take pictures and let you guys see. But yeah.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice.
Let me see everybody when I'm dancing music and them there. Sing for me.